Hey guys, Popsy here, and today, Popsify here, and today, I changed my in-game name, and it's Pinyang's payphone cover, and I'm here to say that I smoke weed every day. I can't wait for the payphone cover to come out. Let me get some items first. Can't wait until the payphone cover come out, and can't wait until that happens. I think it's this video you're watching right now is going to be the payphone cover. And yeah, I'm really excited for it because, like, everybody can sing a few lines of payphone, but Pinyang is a lot better, so yeah. So, yeah, that's practically it, what I have to say. Well, yeah, that's practically what I need to say, and oh my god, I'm so gonna die. Anyway, yeah, let's just, and yeah, can't wait for it. I can't wait until the cover comes out. I think this video, like I said, leave a like, subscribe, like, subscribe, anything that could help support us for this, which I'm WT-ing parody. No. Stop! Cover, and yeah, see you guys in the next video of ours, and goodbye.